Hi there, this is Lawrence Simon, a technical writer on the documentation team at cPanel. BoxTrapper allows you to set up a message filter that uses challenge response verification. The sender sends an email, your server sends back a message requesting confirmation, and the sender must respond correctly for the mail to be delivered. Here we are in the cPanel interface with the Paper Lantern theme. To enable BoxTrapper, let's scroll down to the email group, and then click on the BoxTrapper icon. The BoxTrapper interface will appear. Here we can see a list of all the email accounts on the domain. Click Manage next to the appropriate account. A new interface will appear. If you want to enable BoxTrapper for the account, click the Enable button. A confirmation message will appear. Then click Go Back. If you want to disable BoxTrapper, click the Disable button. But let's leave it enabled for now, okay? To configure BoxTrapper, click Configure Settings. A new interface will appear. If you have any other email addresses which forward mail to this account, add them into the email addresses going to this account field. Separate them with commas. Then, enter your name into the Your Name field. Now, let's enter the number of days that you wish to keep a log of all messages your account receives, and how long to keep copies of messages sent, but not yet delivered to your account. The minimum Apache Spam Assassin spam score required to bypass. The lower it is, the tougher it is to bypass BoxTrapper. We've got the score set really low at -2.5. If you wish to enable automatic whitelisting, click the Enable Automatic Whitelisting checkbox. To disable, click it again. We'll do the same with whitelist by association. This is anybody else the whitelisted sender sends to when they're sending messages to this box. However, you should note that any email address that you send email to will automatically get added to the whitelist. You got all that? Well then, let's click Save. Okay, you're finished configuring BoxTrapper. To return to the configuration settings page, click Go Back. To return to the BoxTrapper configuration page, click Go Back to BoxTrapper configuration. Let's edit BoxTrapper's confirmation messages. Click Edit Confirmation Messages. A new interface with 4 types of messages will appear. Verify Releases is when a message is received and verified. Verify is when a message is received, but the user needs to reply to verify that it's a legitimate source. Return Verify confirms that a message has been received. And Blacklist lets the sender know that they are blacklisted and can't send email to the address. Click Edit next to the appropriate message type. And let's look it over, and how about we add a little something? We'll click Save to save the changes. and we'll get a confirmation page. To return to the BoxTrapper configuration page, click Go Back. If we want to set the message back to the way it was, we can reset to the default message. Click Edit Confirmation Messages, and then click Reset to Default next to the appropriate message type. A confirmation message will appear. Once again, to return to the BoxTrapper configuration page, click Go Back. To edit white, black, and ignore lists for BoxTrapper, let's click Edit White, Black, Ignore Lists. A new interface will appear. If it's on the white list, the message gets delivered without need for confirmation. If it's on the ignore list, the message is deleted. If it's on the black list, the message is deleted and a warning message is sent back. Click Edit White List, Edit Ignore List, or Edit Black List. We'll click on White List. We can add conditions to this page to determine if a message goes on the white list. Type 1 entry per line in the text field. It needs to be formatted as a Perl regular expression where slashes escape the @ symbols and dots. The interface provides you with some examples to demonstrate how to format your whitelist entries. Click Save. To return to the BoxTrapper configuration page, let's click Go Back. Now let's work with forwards. This lets you set a forwarding address for messages that are whitelisted and verified. To edit the BoxTrapper forward list, click Forward List. A new interface will appear. In the text field, we'll enter the email addresses to which you want to forward verified messages. Let's say the messages will forward to passthebuck@example.com, and we'll click Save to save it. There's our confirmation message. To return to the BoxTrapper configuration page, we'll click Go Back. The BoxTrapper log can help you isolate problems with email delivery to your account. To review the BoxTrapper log, we'll click Review Log. Well, here's the log. Not much in it. I guess BoxTrapper has had an easy day. To view the log for a different day, navigate using the back or forward arrow links. When you are finished reviewing the BoxTrapper log, click Go Back to return to the BoxTrapper configuration page. To deliver or delete mail from the BoxTrapper queue, we'll click Review Queue. To search for a specific message, we can use the handy search menu. Select whether you want to search in the Sender, Subject, or Body field. Then what you want to search for. There aren't any messages in the queue, but if there were, you can click on the box for the messages, then select the action to use on them, delete or whitelist and deliver. Then click Submit. To view a message from the BoxTrapper queue screen, we'd click the message's sender, subject, or date. Then we'd select a delivery option and then click Go. We're finished with the BoxTrapper queue screen. To return to the previous screen, let's just click Go Back. For more about cPanel, go to cPanel.net or follow @cPanel on Twitter. Thank you for watching, and happy automating.